Zachary, and today I'm doing a video about AT&T, guys. So if you guys own an AT&T LG V20, y'all are getting Oreo as we speak. So I'm on AT&T's software update page for the LG V20. Y'all guys are getting Oreo, like I said. It's available starting today. So check your V20 for the update. So check your phone and see if you have it. So it says here release date August 23rd, Android 8.0. Security patch is June 1st, 2018. There's your baseband version, build version, software version. The update will be moved to H91020G, and the update is about 1.7 gigabytes. And what you guys get with the update, of course, is Android 8.0 Oreo and first response network authority. I'm not sure what the hell that is. And what's changing is mobile hotspot access point name. Alright, so yeah, so if you guys have an LG V20 on AT&T, y'all guys are getting Oreo right now. So check your phones. If you guys don't get it today, don't worry, you'll be getting it soon, guys. So check your V20 for the Oreo update. So AT&T is the second US carrier to push that Oreo to the LG V20. Hopefully Verizon's next, but we'll see if Verizon's next or if Verizon will be last. We'll have to wait and see, guys. So this is awesome news for those of you who still have an LG V20 on AT&T. Y'all guys are getting Oreo, so that's awesome. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So that's all pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.